Okay.
Hello, today we're gonna make a clock.
Okay, this is a make your own clock that we have ordered off Amazon. So yeah, get going. So that was the box.
Oh, you get pink.
The most important thing, you get pink, right? These are the instructions you have to follow. I'm show everyone how the clock comes. So that's what it looks like when it arrives.
Oh,
Oh.
look, Mum. It can also stand up and tell you the time.
Can't yet. Right. I'm going to be following Clockworks. Cool. So let's separate the clock.
This one.
And label, put everything on the table nice and neatly.
Yes.
That's the pendulum. So it helps the clock keep the time.
Do this.
That's a screw for something. We will find out as we go along.
What is this?
A cog.
I've heard of a cog before.
You've heard of a cog, now you've seen a cog. We need to attach this little doofer in here. So this is for a 6-year-old. Mine is almost 6.
I'm right now 5.
This goes on here. So this will come down and go bing.
What cog? That goes through there. So nothing
No,
just
that goes through there.
Mhm.
That goes through there. Okay, and then that goes on like that.
And then look, you made it.
Oh, I am nowhere near me. We need cogs. We need a red cog, a grey cog. Okay, maybe it's their white cog, and we need the yellow cog. See, look.
Oh, like so. When the time is, that's kind of.
Yeah, but
That
look,
goes
because you're spinning that around, it's spinning the others around.
This one's underneath.
That's how cogs work. Right, so we've done that bit. Look, just by moving the blue, I can spin these and this one. I don't know how he attaches to this yet, not yet there. So we have done something wrong somewhere. So we get to take it all apart and redo it.
So red.
Right, so they're now saying
I might hate those dings going ding, 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 ding.
Not always the clearest instructions, are they?
Yeah. That one's not clear because it's all fogged up.
Well, that one's quite easy because that one is attached to the pendulum here.
The other piece?
No, I said the hand, the long hand.
Long hand? Right here.
No, that goes on the back.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Okay, come. Come sit. We'll try and figure it out. Ah. Little square cog, look. Little square. There.
It fits.
Does fit.
That also makes that ding.
Right, so I've got that bit in there.
I'll show them.
Hang on, no, it's not done yet.
Is it supposed to ding?
No. It's not supposed to spin. It's a minute hand. Round and round. Other way,
Oh, that one.
I think.
No!
There you go. Oh, no, there you go. So you can see it actually happening.
This is the big hand.
Yeah.
Big hand spinning.
This might be quite good to learn on how to tell the time.
Okay.
And you can set it by spinning in the rotation.
That is spinning, not this. That's supposed to spin.
Yeah, but we've not done it around enough, so. That is our attempted make.
Now we never got it.
At a clock.
Now we never got it spinning it.
We're going to give some more twigs, figure it out. But yeah, there we
It's
go.
a bit noisy.
It's for a 6-year-old.
When will this tell the time?
I don't know.